The best part of this place is that the water is warm. Oh my gosh, I love this tree. See the roots underneath. I had getting some sandals. And yeah, these are the ones that I found. Jewelry, like little baby stuff. Oh my god, coconut, and then smoothies, and then look later today. I don't know if you could see, but like right over here, right. So cute. It's something I've been. You're just like, yeah. And then let's see. Library chest.
Like
so this.
This is a plan. This is my camera.
Yeah. Thing inside. You have.
Go to Brazil. Ocultaron la verdad.